the Bible says that Jesus' ministry began with a supernatural 40-day fast. By it, he developed intimacy with God. He learned dependence on God, and he gained the mastery over appetite. He had just been baptized or anointed for mission. His ministry would be the hardest 3.5 years of his entire life. He would need to have a vital connection with heaven. It could not be tenuous, it could not be spasmodic. He would have to spend whole nights in prayer. Later, when his disciples failed to cast a demon out of a child, Jesus told them, "If you have faith, nothing will be impossible to you, but this kind does not go out except by prayer and fasting." If there is a stronghold in your life that you're struggling to overcome, that seems impossible to surmount despite your best efforts, perhaps you might want to try prayer and fasting. It can be the fastest way to gain victory over Satan.